This is a Sunny's day off from shining. I am not a morning person, so my days usually start off with a lot of grumbling and definitely not getting out of bed right away. But this morning was different. This morning I woke up before my alarm clock. I don't know why. It was a Saturday. I didn't have to be anywhere, so I just lay there for a minute, thinking, wow, it's nice to sleep in. And then all of a sudden my eyes popped open and I bolted upright in bed. I thought, oh my gosh, I have to get up now. I don't know why. And I got up and I went to the bathroom, splashed water on my face, and I looked at myself in the mirror and I thought, what am I doing? You have to go to work today. You have to get ready. And I did. Got dressed and I started to do my hair and put on makeup and everything. I was like, oh my gosh, why am I doing this? No one's going to see me. It's the weekend. No one's going to see me. So I stopped and I took a few deep breaths and I thought, well, here goes nothing. Let's try this again. I went back to bed and I lay down and I thought, no, you know what? I'm not getting up. No one's going to see me today. So I thought, let's order some room service. I picked up the phone and I dialed 0 and I said, hello. Could I get some coffee and a Danish, please? And I hung up and I thought, wow, that was easy. I bet they're going to bring it right up. And I waited and I waited and I waited. And finally, after about an hour, I started to get a little bit hungry. So I picked up the phone again and I dialed 0 and I said, excuse me, could I get my coffee in Danish now? And the man said, yes, sir, I'll bring it right up. And he brought it right up. I ate my Danish and drank my coffee, and then I went back to bed. And I thought, you know, this is great. No one's going to bother me today. I can just relax and do nothing. And I did. I stayed in bed all day, watched TV. I ordered some lunch. And then, when I started to get a little bored with that, I got up and I went into the living room and I laid down on the couch and I fell asleep. And then all of a sudden I heard a noise and I thought, what was that? Then I heard it again and I thought, that's definitely someone walking above me. So I got up and I started to walk towards the bedroom. And then I heard it again and I froze. And I thought, what is that noise? And then I heard it again and I walked a little bit further and I finally found the closet door. I thought, what's that noise? And then I started to open the door and the noise got louder and louder and louder. And then all of a sudden, the lights went out and the noise stopped. And I stood there in the dark thinking, what was that? And then all of a sudden, the lights came back on, and I saw Jack Torrance standing in front of me with an axe. He said, you're pretty good at this whole acting thing, Sonny, but it's time for you to go. And then he swung the axe, and I screamed.